Hello guys, Standard 6, Chapter number 3, Separation of Substances, page number 49, Matching. Let's solve it. First one, it is small quantity. So it is separated by the hand picking. Second, beaten by hand. It is done by manual threshing. Third one, wind. Winnowing. 4, different sized particle. Sieving. 5, iron and sulfur. It is magnetic separation. Phillips, first one. A mixture contains two or more substances that can be separated easily. Second, threshing is a method used for separating grains from the chaff. Third one, thresher is a threshing machine used on farms. Four, in winnowing, the mixture of wheat grains and chaff is dragged from a height. 5, a mixture whose one of the component is magnetic can be separated by using a magnet. Now guys, take out page number 55, give one word. First question is the process by which the heavy insoluble particles of a solid settle down in a liquid. It is called as sedimentation process. Second, the insoluble particles that settle at the bottom when the mixture is kept undisturbed. So it is called as sediment. Third one, the layer of liquid that is seen above the insoluble particles when the mixture is kept undisturbed. So it is called as supernatant. Fourth, The process of pouring the liquid slowly to separate the insoluble particles from the liquid. It is decantation. Five. The method used for separating fine insoluble solid particles from the solid using a filter. This process is called as filtration. Now correct this false statement. First one, solid particles retained on the filter are called sediments. So remove the sediments and write down residue. Second, the liquid collected during filtration is called supernatant. So remove and write down filtrate. Third one, salt from sea water is obtained by filtration. So it is called as vaporization. Four, during condensation, vapor gets cooled by heating a hot surface. So remove hot and write down cold. Five, more solute can be dissolved in a saturated solution. So remove saturated and write down unsaturated. Now guys, take out exercise of this chapter and let's solve it. MCQ number 1. For hand picking, the components of the mixture must differ. So answer will be all of these. Second, threshing helps in separating grains from stalks. Third one, wind plays an important role in winnowing process. Four, sieving cannot be used for separating sugar from sugar solution. Five, the process of converting a liquid into gas is called as vaporization. Six, these two processes can be used to separate a soluble solid from water. So it is vaporization and condensation. Seventh, cotton is insoluble in water. Eight, solubility of a solute does not depend on its color. Ninth one, this mixture is separated by combining more than one method. So it is sugar and water. Now Phillips. When sand is added to water, it settles. Second one, decantation is used after sedimentation. Oil and water are immiscible liquids. Choosing an appropriate filter would depend on the size of the particle to be filtered. Fifth one, evaporation is used to separate soluble solids dissolved in a liquid by heating the mixture. Now turn your page. Give two examples. First one, methods of separating two solid components from a mixture. So it is sieving process and winnowing process. So write down this both. Second, methods of separating insoluble substances from a liquid. So it is done by sedimentation and filtration process. Third one, methods of separating soluble substances from their solutions. So it is vaporization and condensation. For substances soluble in water, so it is sugar and salt. Five, substances insoluble in water, so it is stone, marbles. Now name the following. First one, the process of converting water into water vapor, so it is evaporation. Second, the process of converting water vapor into its liquid, so it is condensation. Third one, the mixing of a soluble substances in a liquid, it is called as dissolving. Four, the substance in which the solute dissolves, it is called as solvent. Five, the solution that cannot dissolve any more of the solute in it, it is called as saturated solution. Okay guys, thank you, have a nice day.